In this video, we are going to find integers x and y satisfying this equation, which is 93x minus 81y equal 3. And the first thing we're going to do is to find the greatest common divisor of 93 and 81, in which should be 3. So we will use the Euclidean algorithm to do so. But let me rewrite the equation. So I want to have 81 times minus y equal 3. I just want to have positive integers. And then we start with the Euclidean algorithm. We divide 93 by 81. And the quotient should be 1 and the remainder must be 12. Okay? And then we divide 81 by 12. We're gonna have 81 equal to 12 times, let's multiply it by 7. Okay, what is 12 times 7? Actually it is it's greater than 81, so let's use 6, which is 72. Then we divide which one? Oh no, 72 is, it should not be here, right? It should be 9. Okay, because 9 is the remainder of 81 when it is divided by 12. Okay, and 12 times 6 is 72. And next we divide 12 by 9, and the quotient should be 1, and it turns out to be 3, which is the remainder. And 9 equal to 3 times 3, right? We divide 9 by 3. Okay, and 3 is the last remainder. Then we gotta have the greatest common divisor of 93 and 81, which is 3. Now let's try to find integers x and y satisfying this equation. So we will start with this equation right here, which is next to last equation, which is 3 equal to 12 minus 9 times 1. And we write 9 in terms of 81 and 12. We're gonna have 12 minus, we're gonna have 81 minus 12 times 6. And we distribute minus sign, we gotta have 12 minus 81 plus 12 times 6. We gotta have 12 times 7 plus 81 times minus 1. Then what do we have to do next? We have to rewrite 12 in terms of 93 and 81. Okay, so that we can obtain 93 and 81 in this equation. So we gotta have 93 minus 81 times 1. Okay, and this should be 7. Okay, this should be 7 plus 81 times minus 1. And we distribute 7 into each term, so we gotta have 93 times 7 plus 81 times minus 7 plus 81 times minus 1. Then what do we have? We gotta have 93 times 7 plus 81 times minus 8. Okay, so let's verify this sum so that it turns out to be 3. Okay, so let's start with 93 times 7 minus 81 times 8, which is 93 times 7 plus 81 times minus 8. So what is 93 times 7? It's going to be 630 and 21. So we gotta have 651 minus 81 times 8, which is 648. So you gotta have 648, and it turns out to be 3. Okay, great. So that means that x should be 7 and y must be 8. Okay, so x can be 7, and y can be 8. And we can also find other possibilities of x and y for this equation. Okay, and that's it for this video.